Hi everybody, so it's come to my attention that some people want to know how I did these Melty Smileys, so I'm going to show you. So firstly, these are all the products I use. They're also listed below in this video. But the first thing I do is I come in with my non-white top coat and I put that on top of my acrylic. Say what you want about that. Some people don't like to do this, but I personally really prefer to have a nice smooth surface when I'm starting with my gel design. So I do this before I do almost any gel design. So then I put all my colors on my palette and I came in and I used one of these round dotting tools. And the reason I used this instead of like a liner brush is because I really wanted the shapes to be like as organic as possible. So I didn't want any sharp edges. And I thought this might be like the easiest way to make sure that happened. So basically I just kind of like came in and was just kind of moving the polish around into a shape that I liked. So yeah, that's really all there was to the shapes being made was that I just kind of made big globs essentially. You don't want them to be too thick because you want them to be able to set. So make sure it's like the right consistency. But afterwards, I went ahead and I wiped my little dot brush off in between. I picked my next color. And then I basically just fit all the other ones around each other. So as I was going, I was just kind of like molding them into the shapes around. I like to leave a little bit of space because one, I really like Bougie Beige, which is the cover acrylic below this. But also, actually, no, that's not Bougie Beige. Shit, I can't remember what it's called. I'm going to put it below. But I like the color underneath to show. But I also like to leave space in case I get a little messy with my outlines afterwards. So that's me putting all the colors in. And then I came in and I did another layer of top coat. This is not necessarily required in general, but I do like to do this when I'm using glitter acrylics because then I can get the straightest lines. Because sometimes the glitter will like be a little chunky in the way that like my lines will like, I don't know. If you know, you know. So after this, I realized that I did not click the record button and didn't record me outlining any of these. So I was a little frustrated, but we move forward. This is what they look like with the outline. I used Negative Space, the gel liner. After that, I came in and I just did all my eyeballs first. Literally just did 2 vertical lines for the eyeballs on all of them. This is how that looked. They look kind of like pet rocks right now. And then I came in and I just did a squiggly line in the shape of a U and then put the little kind of like dashes on both sides to make the little crease marks on the side of his mouth. That's literally all I did. Little squiggly U shapes with the little hood. I don't know, I'm running out of words. But after that, I did one more layer of top coat. And yeah, that's about it. I set it in between all of these steps. Please don't forget to set them. But this is how it looked in regular light. And then I also have a clip here of it under the flash with the low light. So I hope you guys like this.